Imagine you come home to your partner and your partner says, "You don't spend enough time with me, you don't love me." Okay, obviously it's a very shocking thing to hear. The natural response is for you to associate blame. Hey, they're saying I don't love them, which I do, so I'm going to fight back. Well, let's be honest, in this kind of situation, fighting isn't going to solve the problem, it's just going to escalate it. So the trick is to utilize what you've learned with nonviolent communication and not apply blame, not interpret anything at this moment. Just to instead say, wow, okay, pause, see yourself, realize that maybe the words they said have hit you, your needs. You need respect, you need love, you need caring. And for you to do your best, understand that, and understand because of the lack of your needs, maybe you feel angry right now. And then to work with them and to understand, well, where are they coming from? You know, what could their needs be? Maybe they have a need to spend more time with you. Maybe they have a need for love and compassion that just hasn't been met. But to acknowledge their need, even to guess and be wrong, means more to them than you realize. Oh, dear, you need more time with me? Is that what it is? Maybe they say yes, maybe they say no, but then you can go and you can guess their feeling. And through this process of guessing their need, guessing their feeling, and even if it's wrong, but eventually you get to the right area, then you're going to de-escalate the conflict. And it works extremely well with adult relationships. And then when you apply this to kid relationships, it works even better. So always remember, whenever it comes to your needs and your feelings, do not interpret without asking them, and do not associate any kind of blame, because it'll very much spoil the conversation.